Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to deep clean your Chaco sandals. I'll also be showing you how to get your straps unstuck, which is usually caused by your sandals being pretty dirty. Unfortunately, wearing them in the shower or a river is not really enough to get them super clean, so you'll want to follow these steps to get a good deep clean. You might want to do this a couple times a year depending on how often you wear your sandals and how dirty they get. The tools you'll need to get started are a bucket of soapy water with some fabric softener, baking soda, scrubbing tools, toothpicks, and gloves if you want. The first step is identifying any sand or dirt that could be trapped under the footbed and shaking that out. Next, you'll want to soak your sandals face down in a bucket of soapy water for anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. After that, I like to use a toothpick to get all the grime out of the footbed. Baking soda also works really well to get that grime out of the footbed. You can scrub it with an old toothbrush or a sponge. Next, I like to scrub the outsole with some soap and a scrubbing tool. Really be sure to get into all the nooks and crannies on that outsole. You can also do this on the footbed. This should get rid of any odors on your sandals. After your straps have soaked for a while, if you're still having trouble adjusting or flossing your straps, it's probably because you still have some dirt or sand stuck underneath the footbed causing tension. The best way to fix that problem is to get yourself a syringe and fill it with your soapy water, and the secret weapon here is fabric softener. Use that syringe to flush out any of the sand or dirt that's underneath the footbed. You might have to do this a lot of times if you have a small syringe like this, but trust me, it's worth it. After a while, you should be able to floss your straps back and forth with ease and get back to adjusting. We personally don't recommend cleaning these in your dishwasher, as the heat could melt the glue and separate your outsole, or in your washer, as these sandals could damage your appliance. Now step foot in your clean Chacos and head out for another adventure. We hope you found this helpful. Check out your next pair of Chacos at Whole Earth Provision Company.